Hello crafty friends and welcome back to Crafty Science Corner. From concept to creation. In our last video, we introduced the channel and a digital logo. Today in part 2, we are bringing it to life. That is, making of our DIY logo. Let's get started. Here I've got a cake board. You can also take a round MDF board and attach a thick white chart paper on one side of the board. I've placed my printout of digital logo design on top and I'm simply tracing over all the lines with a pen. The pressure will transfer a faint outline onto the board, giving us a perfect guide. Now that the faint lines are there, I'm going over them with a pencil. This makes the sketch much clearer and ensures it won't smudge away as we work on it. Take your time to get all the details right. To give our logo some fun texture, we are using different materials. Here I am tracing the scissors onto a blue chart paper. After tracing, I'll carefully cut it out. For the inner handle parts, a craft knife works best. Make sure you won't cut your finger. While doing this, don't forget to keep a cutting mat underneath. Look at that, a perfect file cut out. Next, for our vibrant flower, I'm using orange chart paper. I'm cutting out two identical flower shapes. This is a little trick to create a lovely 3D effect later on. You will see how it comes together. It's time to add some color to our background. I'm starting with the bright lemon yellow at the top. Then I'm bringing in a beautiful sea green for the bottom, blending it gently in the middle to create a soft, smooth gradient. With the background dry, it's time to assemble. My felt scissors have a sticker backing which makes it super easy. Just peel and press it firmly into place. For our flower, I'm placing the first layer down with some regular glue. To make the second layer pop, I'm using small pieces of double-sided foam tape. This will lift it up, creating that wonderful 3D dimension we were aiming for. Now, for a really fun textured center for a flower, I'm taking some tissue paper, soaking it and tearing it into a pulp. I'll mix this pulp with white craft glue and a bit of yellow paint. Using tweezers, I'm carefully placing this mixture right in the middle of the flower. It creates an amazing realistic texture. Let's keep building our logo. The magnifying glass cut from white paper is glued into its spot. And for the glue gun, I'm using a green chart paper cutout, also with a sticker back. A few tiny chart pieces for the nozzle and switch add those extra little details. Now it's time to bring our lettering to life. Using a black marker, I'm carefully writing Crafty Science Corner following the pencil lines. After that, I'm using colored markers to fill in the pens in the holder, adding a splash of color to the center. I'm using grey paint to go over the frame of the magnifying glass, the pen holder, and the blades of the scissors. This little touch really makes the elements stand out. A few more painted details. I'm adding a bright orange to the light bulb in our logo and a little bit of red to highlight the word science. These small spots of color make a big difference. Now the magic is in the outlines. I'm using a fine-tipped black marker to trace every single element. This step makes everything look so crisp, clean and professional. Here I've used black marker to outline other elements. It really defines the shapes and makes the entire design pop. For the final science touch, I'm penciling in an atom symbol inside the magnifying glass. I'll go over it with a blue pen and then use yellow and orange paint to color in the nucleus and electrons. And there you have it. Our digital logo is now a stunning, textured and colorful piece of art. It looks so amazing displayed on this little easel, from a simple screen design to a real-life craft. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed seeing this project come to life, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to make sure you don't miss our next creative science project, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Happy crafting!